Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking. Today I'm going to be showing you all the places that I use my Bissell spot cleaner. It is wonderful. It works so well in my home, and I'm just going to be showing you all the places that I have used it. If you're not new to the channel, you've seen this a couple of times. So we're going to start off with my niece's makeup storage box. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it has some very heavy duty stains, mainly of just makeup. So what I normally do before I start, I do a little test because I'm using the vanish stain remover, and also mixing in with the cleaner that I use on my Bissell cleaner as well. So I want to do a little test first to ensure that everything's going to work very well and not going to damage anything. So I do that first, and if it's fine, like here, everything worked very well. The vanish stain remover also didn't react with anything. So it was a little patch test that I did, like on a little corner somewhere, where even if it was to react or get damaged, it won't be, in your face. So that's what I normally do first. And when that is done, I just continue cleaning. As you can see, it worked very well together. It just had a lot of makeup really, and I was actually quite enjoying cleaning this. It was quite therapeutic. Not sure why, but it was. But I also try it out on different upholsteries as well. So this had paint on it. So I think because the paint had dried on and I'd left it for such a long time, it'd been left for such a long time, it was very difficult to remove it. So it's not always perfect. It's not like a heavy duty carpet cleaning machine, but it does its best. So this didn't work out as well as I wanted it to, but I think because the paint had been left on for such a long time, and it didn't come off the way that I wanted it to do. But overall, it works very well on different surfaces and materials. So I'm now going to try it out on my baby's cot bed. So he was not feeling very well, he threw up, and I'm just going to try and remove the stain before I pop this into the washing machine. This works really well. Like I said, depends with the type of stain remover that you use. I don't try to use anything too fancy. Whatever you can find from the shops works very well, and it's all worked very well for me on different surfaces, like I said, in the home, including on sofas and yeah, different things. So I always say do a little patch test and see if it's going to work, if it's going to react. But with everything that I have tried, it's worked very well, and this is me now just removing it and popping it in the washing machine.
All right.
And if you're not new to the channel, you've seen me cleaning the sofa so many times. I just recently did a video, if you look on the top right hand corner over here, where I was removing some marker pens that my son had decided to write on the sofa, and it came out really well. So you can check it out and let me know what you guys think. And the Dr. Beckman stain remover, it works so well, and I was very impressed with how it removed the pens on my sofa. But that's it from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it has motivated you to clean around your home. Let me know if you like some more videos in this type of format, and that's it from me. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.